Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Spirit S-315. What do you think?
Oh, I've glanced at both. What are you prioritizing in a grill?
Well, space is a factor, but I also want something durable and with good heat.
Okay. The Weber has a slightly larger grilling area, 424 square inches compared to the Nexgrill's 401. Not a massive difference, but something to consider.
And what about burners?
The Weber has 3 burners, while the Nexgrill only has 2. More burners usually mean more even heat distribution and potentially higher overall heat output, if that's important to you.
Good point. I saw the Nexgrill boasts 28,000 BTUs. Does the Weber mention its BTU output?
It doesn't explicitly say in the info here, but generally, Weber grills are known for their efficient burner design. The Weber's porcelain enameled cast iron grates are also a plus for heat retention and cleaning. The Nexgrill also uses porcelain-coated cast iron.
Durability's key too. I want something that won't rust out in a year.
Both have stainless steel components, but Weber's porcelain enamel finish is known for preventing rust and cracking. The Nexgrill mentions a stainless steel control panel, which is good, but doesn't give as much detail about rust prevention elsewhere.
What about fuel? I think I want to stick with natural gas.
The Weber Spirit S-315 is set up for natural gas, while the Nexgrill can be converted to it, giving it more flexibility if you change your mind later.
Okay, interesting. What about size? I have a small patio.
The Nexgrill is a bit smaller, especially with its foldable side tables. That could be a big advantage for space saving. The Weber is wider at 52 inches.
And what about price? I'm trying to stick to a budget.
Huge difference there. The Nexgrill is significantly cheaper. The Weber is almost 3 times the price.
Wow, that's a big jump. Lots to think about. Thanks.
No problem. Consider what you value most. Space, power, durability, or budget, and that should help you decide.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.